Unleash your aerial photography potential with the Xiaomi Mijia Drone M107 4K. This professional-grade, foldable quadcopter is engineered to deliver an exciting and intuitive flying experience, boasting an impressive 4K, an 8K optional, HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, precise GPS positioning, powerful brushless motors, and intelligent infrared obstacle avoidance. With an astonishing 3.0 kilometers remote control distance, the M107 is your ultimate tool for capturing stunning visuals and navigating the skies with ease. Stunning 4K or 8K HD camera and immersive 5G FPV. The M107 comes equipped with a high-definition camera system, offering options for either 5G Wi-Fi 4K or 5G Wi-Fi 8K resolution, promising incredibly sharp and detailed photos and videos from above. The camera's angle can be precisely adjusted by 90 degrees via remote control, allowing for flexible framing during flight. Experience immersive, real-time views directly through your mobile phone camera via the 5G Wi-Fi function, which boasts an impressive FPV distance of up to 3,000 meters. You can easily capture and store videos and photos using the remote control or through the connected app or APK system. Powerful brushless motor and extended range. At the heart of the M107's robust performance is its 1503 brushless motor. Brushless motors are renowned for their superior power, greater efficiency, and longer lifespan compared to traditional motors, ensuring more stable flight and enhanced durability. Powered by a 3.7V 2500 mAh lithium battery, the drone offers a solid 15 to 22 minutes of flight time, with a charging time of approximately 90 minutes. The impressive 3,000 meters remote control distance gives you vast range for exploration and capturing expansive aerial views. Intelligent flight and obstacle avoidance. Fly with supreme confidence thanks to the M107's advanced flight systems. It features optical flow hovering and optical flow electric adjustment for stable flight and precise positioning, especially useful in various environments. A key safety feature is the left and right infrared obstacle avoidance, which helps the drone detect and avoid obstructions, significantly reducing the risk of collisions and making it safer for new pilots. The drone also includes low battery protection and overcurrent protection for enhanced safety and longevity. User-friendly design and smart features. The M107 is designed for intuitive operation and packed with intelligent functions. 2.4-inch display screen control. The remote control features a built-in display screen, providing a direct and convenient way to monitor your flight. Foldable arms. Its compact and foldable design makes it small and easy to carry, fitting perfectly into the included storage bag. Headless mode. No need to adjust the aircraft's position before flying, simplifying control for beginners. One key return. Easily find your way home with a single press of a button. One key takeoff or landing. Simplifies the most challenging aspects of drone operation. 3 flight speed switch levels. Adjust the drone's agility to match your preference or the environment. One touch tumbling. Perform exciting aerial acrobatics with ease. Trajectory flight. Draw a flight path on the screen via the app, and the drone will autonomously follow the designated way. Colorful LED lights. The nose features 3 color lights and it displays a 7-color gradient when hovering, with arm-led colorful gradient highlights, enhancing visibility and adding a cool visual effect. 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology ensures a stable and reliable connection. Durable build. The quadcopter fuselage is made of sturdy, high-strength engineering plastic, making it lightweight and durable. Key specifications. Model M107. Frequency 5G FPV 2.4 GHz. Control Channels: 4ch, ascend, descend, forward, backward, left or right, side flight. Drone battery: 3.7 V 2500 mAh included. Flight time: 15 to 22 minutes. Charging time: 90 minutes. Remote control distance: 3,000 meters. Colors: black or gray. Camera options: 5G Wi-Fi 4K or 8K. Camera angle adjustment: 90 degrees electric adjustment. Dimensions: folded 15.5 by 7 by 8 centimeters. Dimensions: unfolded 28 by 28 by 8 centimeters. Motor: 1503 brushless motor. Obstacle avoidance: left and right infrared obstacle avoidance. Weight: lightweight, implied by foldable design and material. Gyroscope: 6-axis. The Xiaomi Mijia Drone M107 4K offers an impressive blend of high-resolution camera capabilities, extensive range, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and user-friendly controls, all within a portable and durable design. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking a capable and exciting drone for aerial photography and immersive flight experiences. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more drone reviews and tech videos.